Hi, I'm David Michie with MarineMax here in Naples. Today we're on board a 2019 32 Vantage that we recently took in on trade with a local owner here. The boat has twin 350 Mercury joystick controls with 255 hours. It also has warranty through May of 2027 of Mercury's Platinum coverage. A couple of the features on the boat: it has a sunshade, it has the fishing package, so you've got a live well here, standard dive door on the side, fold up seating, and as you walk forward, this boat features a Garmin chart plotter. You also have the larger Mercury display. The joystick control is over here on the starboard side, and it does have the beach boarding ladder up front. I hope you enjoyed the features of the boat. If you have any questions, feel free to call me at 239-872-7503 or look us up at MarineMax.com online. Thank you.